Each folder consists of color presets and styles to choose from. And it is color-coded as well for ease of use. These are the default outfit colors. You can add a custom one if you want. And the styles to choose from. These are the hair options. Including some accessories you can add. You can change the skin color as well. And face types. Of course, the color of the eyes too. And different eye shapes. You can choose your background as well. And by the way, there is an easier way to choose things by using the filter option in Photoshop. Now you can easily change items and focus on color changing. That's it for the tutorial. Have a nice day.